third state, gaseous state. What are the specialities of gaseous state? First point, gases have no fixed shape. Gases have no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. It takes the shape of the container. Then first point, gases have no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. Then second point, no fixed volume. Gases have no fixed volume. Then listen, I take one small container. Small container. Then gases have no fixed volume. Then I take a small container. Then the gases fill the container completely. This is a closed container. The gases fill the container completely. Then I take a small container. It fills completely in this small container. Then take another large one. Then fill the container completely. The molecules fill the container completely. So no fixed shape for gas molecules. No fixed shape for gas molecules. Then third one, highly compressible. We have observed that gases are highly compressible compared to solid and liquid. Then first point, no fixed shape. Second one, no fixed volume. No fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. No fixed volume. Then gases fill the container completely. Then you take a closed vessel. Then small vessel. Then complete the gases molecules completely filled in that small vessel. Then you take a big one. The molecules are completely filled in that big vessels. Then gases are highly compressible to compare to solid and liquid state. For example, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Then another one, the oxygen cylinders in that in hospitals. Then gases are highly compressible. For example, that LPG cylinder and oxygen cylinder in hospitals. Then another example, one CNG. What is CNG? You heard CNG? Compressed natural gas. What is CNG? Compressed natural gas. CNG is compressed natural gas. This is used as a fuel in vehicles. In gaseous state, what are the specialities of molecules in gaseous state? The molecules are loosely packed. The molecules are loosely packed. Molecules are loosely packed. The force of attraction between the molecules are very less compared to solid and liquid state. The force of attraction between the molecules are very less compared to solid and liquid. Or another example, the smell of hot cooked food reaches in second. No, what is the reason for that one? Due to the high speed of particles and large space between the molecules. Large space between the molecules. Once more, the smell of hot cooked food reaches in very fast. What is the reason? Due to the high speed of particles and large spaces between these particles. In gaseous states, the particles move randomly at high speed. In gaseous state, the molecules move randomly in high speed. What happened? Then at high speed the particles hit each other. Then the particles hit each other and also in the walls of the container. Particles randomly move, they hit each other and they hit in the walls of the container. Then the pressure exerted by unit volume. The pressure exerted by unit volume. Three states of matter: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. These are the three states of matter. First one, solid state. In solid state, molecules are closely packed and force of attraction between the molecules are very high. Force of attraction between the molecules are very high. In liquid state, the molecules are loosely packed compared to solid state and force of attraction between the molecules are very less compared to solid state. In force of attraction between the molecules are less compared to solid state. In gaseous state, molecules are very loosely packed and force of attraction is very less compared to liquid state.